Oh my god, he had a canoe. So as per request by fan, we are starting up the Arctic Cat Jag from 1989. It's a 340. It's a total cold start. It hasn't been running how long?
This is last year.
Yeah, so last winter.
So it's been like a year pretty much.
Minimum 10 months anyways.
And it's pretty cold in here. It's
putting the battery in, and the fuel is probably drained right back into the pump at most. So we'll see how this turns out.
At minus 11 right now.
Yeah, and it was minus 22 last night, and that's Celsius, or minus 8 Fahrenheit. So we're right about 8 degrees or 0 degrees Fahrenheit, something like that. I don't know. I guess mine has. I have to get the friggin' motor taken out, get the points cleaned out, because it's skadoodle. I look how nice and clean this Arctic Cat is.
Oh, it's clean though. Yeah, all original too.
Yeah, Arctic Cat quality right there.
6,000 kilometers, or 6,000 miles, sorry.
Yeah, miles, not kilometers. Let's even swoop around here. There's still plastic pellets on the ground from shooting each other.
Plug look good.
Get a blowtorch and heat up the cylinders. Save you some effort. And the plugs too.
No, it's a cold start. The point is it has to be cold.
Actually, that's true. Sorry. Totally forgot our whole purpose to this. My god. That's actually a pretty badass secondary clutch, not gonna lie. That's like a revamped edition of what I got. Is it still the hex clutch on it? No, it looks different.
Those are the ones the Mercs had.
Mercs was different. This is like 13-year difference. Merc 76.
Well, they had the similar.
Well, it's a hex clutch, but it's like revamped.
Mercs ran the Arctic Cat clutch, yeah.
Yeah, they're all Arctic Cat powertrain, not Skidoo powertrain.
Well, I mean, in '76 they went to Arctic Cat clutch.
I think they were in 75. Because this after 74, they really rechanged everything.
Yeah.
75 and 76 are pretty much the same thing, just little minor touches. 76 was the boss year.
76 was the last year.
Yeah, it was only getting better in that Brunswick Corporation. Yeah, you're being all successful and faster than everyone else, but we're going to pull the plug on you. Makes sense.
The only thing that's not original though, under here's the plug caps. Those are
NGK.
aftermarket kind of.
Nice Japanese with a Japanese motor. Piece of crap. Needs dual carb on here. So it needs a dual carb and a stinger.
Really keep it all original.
Boy.
Because all original is better.
Boy. Hurry up. Hurry up. Look at the headlamps friggin' nice and shiny too. Takes care of his Arctic Cat. More like Papa Adams takes care of his Arctic Cat. I hate putting battery terminals back on these small things. Got that stupid little nut that it can never reach. The bolt can never reach.
Yeah.
They got a little snip off little fuel lamp underneath it. Got a fuel hose. Lets the nut rust up a bit. It took about half the time the Skidoo took. I don't like my Skidoo. I like how nice and open it is to work on. I think the body on the Skidoo is tall and skinny.
I think this is still even the original belt too.
Oh, fucking probably.
Spare belt.
See, the Merc and the Cat, they're not as tall and they're wider or fatter. So you got a lot more room to work on. Go around here, I'll show you the I have nothing to compare it to. Out of my way, boy. It's like right, this whole area here is like twice as open as my Skidoo is. Like I can't even get at the freaking chain case. I got like 2 feet here. The battery is a little beside it, and then the oil injection container holds the oils on top of it, blocking it too. Oh look, you even have the voltage regulator right there. You got the voltage regulator?
Where?
Or is that your thing for your... What the hell?
That's the voltage regulator.
Yeah. Nice and easy to attain. Mine, on the other hand, the Skidoo is underneath the motor. I was lucky enough to get it out and replace it without touching the motor.
Battery's on.
But it was
on.
a bitch.
Now it just needs a key and gas. We're good to go. And move the tractor.
Well, let's worry about firing it up when we get that tractor out of the way. This Korean and Kablota.
Get the key.
Hurry up. Hurry up.
I'm going on the other side.
Go. Hurry up. Hold on, how's this tank in here? Spill it, I kill you. Nice shitty ass funnel. No filter in it. Hurry up.
Alright. First start in the air.
Here we go, cold start.
Goes.
Ready to go.
Probably going to take a while to fill up the bowls, but
Yeah.
yeah, that battery's a piece of shit.
That and the starter's probably not the most loose thing right now. Thankfully,
gotta
that's
get
what
a
she
battery
said too.
for it.
What's that? Oh, that sounds like fun. Got full choke on her?
Huh?
Full choke?
Full choke.
Hurry up. There you go, Arctic Cat quality. Full choke.
Even idles too.
Fire up the tractor and get it warmed up.